Good morning! Hello there! So, it's our second day at kami ay lilipat sa ibang destination in which in Uzbek. So, we have a flight kaya ganito aabang na kami ng masakyan. Sunday 5 and 6. Ayan na ata siya. Ayan po siya. I'm going to the next destination. Hello. Today's paper. Just to update kung ano yung hinihingi ng immigration dito sa Tashkent. Sorry, dito sa Amity. Dahil nga tayo ay Filipino citizen, same thing, it's passport. Passport nung pumasok tayo, passport nung lumabas tayo. At wala na silang tinatanong. Scan lang and all. Wala nang ibang-ibang chichibarichi. Basta chinecheck lang nila. And then yeah, I will update you pag dumating na kami sa Tashkent kung ano yung I'm sure it's only Emirates ID, so share ko na lang yung experience ko. Continue watching. Yes, we are going to Uzbekistan, Tashkent. Kala namin walang food. So, may bus screen pa sila. Diba? Let's eat! Yes.
International Airport. Oriented, please remain seated until the signal signs turn off. It was a stay in Tashkent and looking forward to see you soon. Thank you.
Yes, regarding sa immigration, wala namang problema as long as wag niyo munang itapon yung inyong boarding pass dahil hihingin nila. Wag niyo silang hayaang maghanap ng rason para alam mo yun, magka-problema or what. So, ang hinihingi nila is of course yung passport mo and Emirates ID. As we know na all UAE residents ay free visa dito sa Uzbekistan. So, wag nyo lang walain yung boarding pass nyo. Ibigay nyo boarding pass nyo, passport, and Emirates ID. That's it. Wala nang tanong-tanong. Hindi na ako tinatanong dahil siguro busy din. So, yeah. It was smoothly done. So, lahat okay. So, yes, wait for our first day tour here in Uzbekistan. Continue watching.
It is the biggest one.
I mean, that's done.
No, maybe you can manage it.
So this is veg?
Yeah, the carrots.
Okay.
The red carrots and the yellow one. Bianco, wedding. Doing the wedding
That's the salsa.
It's different.
I like that.
Samsa. They call it
Samsa.
samsa.
The Uzbek one is samosa. The samosa is from India.
Oh, yeah. So this... Wow, I like this one.
International. Real name is Bosch. The name of food is Bosch.
Look at that. Okay, next. Where are we gonna go?
We can go inside, but now it's.
But I think
You don't want now, yeah? Paintings? Have to ask which one you like.
No, the minimum. I mean to see the cheapest price is how much. Look, small maybe. Wow. Ayaw mo, Mads?
No?
Painting.
Gusto ko naman lalagay. Ang hirap yan.
No one to ask.
It's okay, it's okay.
Because we're gonna carry our luggage as well.
Huh?
Similar to mango.
Tomato with onions. Inside it's potato.
Beef, мясо, рис, rice. Beef, мясо. Mrs.
All buffet, all jasa.
Mrs.
Ang cute dyan.
So many Turkish restaurants here.
our actually room here. Magkano rin natin dito? 50 dirham? 55 dirham. Yeah, 61 dirham with tax. So, ganyan na siya. Malinis naman. So, may aircon. Importante. Ang importante may aircon. So, yes. Pwedeng-pwede na siya. So, 61 dirham for 2.